Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will take you to one of the most popular attraction of Switzerland, which is Trummelbach waterfalls. It is in Lauterbrunnen and one of the most visited waterfall in Switzerland. Although Lauterbrunnen is quite full of waterfalls only, but this one is very popular. So let's get started. My name is Sakshi and welcome to my Switzerland vlog series. To reach the Trummelbach Falls, there are three ways. First, you can rent a car, or you can board a bus, which is included in the Swiss travel pass if you are using a Swiss travel pass, or you can just walk. So it's a 30 to 40 minutes walk from Lauterbrunnen village. We were like halting here and there, so it took us 1.5 hours to reach the falls. I'll recommend you to, if you have time, then you must take a walk in the village. It is very beautiful, very scenic, and I'm very much sure you have not seen anything like that, so you will not disappointed for walking this much. After 1.5 hours of walk, we reached to Trummelbach waterfalls. From here also you need to walk for another 10 to 15 minutes, but the road is so beautiful, the views were so beautiful. That you will not realize it that you have walked this much. आप यहाँ पे शॉपिंग भी कर सकते हो. There are few shops here. यहाँ पे आपको souvenirs मिल जाते हैं. I was loving walking on this road. It was so nice, so green. All these people are coming from that fall only. Do you see that gate? That is the entrance of falls. We bought tickets here. So one ticket was approximate of 14 Swiss franc. From here we took the lift actually, and that was very surprising actually, so I wanted to experience it, and that was the only reason we took this lift to reach the highest waterfall. It is divided into 10 waterfalls. You can actually take the stairs also. It's not necessary that I have to take the lift only, but I want to experience it, and I believe this is the only place where you can reach to a waterfall by a lift. It is in the mountain, so it was another kind of experience. Let me tell you a few facts about this waterfall. It's a series of 10 glacier-fed waterfall inside the mountain and made accessible by a tunnel lift, or as I told you, you can take the stairs also. This is the water from glaciers of Jungfrau. Regarding that also I have made a video. You can get the link in the description box. सो गाइस, ये डायरेक्टली ग्लेशियर्स का पानी आता है यहाँ पे. इट वॉज सो थंडरिंग. आप यहाँ पे बात नहीं कर सकते. इट वॉज सो नॉइजी, एंड बिकॉज इट इज़ इन द माउंटेन, सो देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ इको ऑफ दिस water. Up to 20,000 liters of water per second, you know. last point of fall, and this was the view from here. This is a place for paragliders also. यहाँ पे paragliding होती है and it's very popular. Paragliding of Lauterbrunnen is very popular. कैप पहन लो. We did this falls at the very same day we went to Jungfrau. So काफ़ी टायरिंग हो गया था हमारे लिए because आप बस चलते रहते हो, you are just walking and Lauterbrunnen हमें इतना अच्छा लगा था तो we chose to walk there as well. And here also you walk a lot. If you want to explore all the falls, you have to walk. So Europe is all about walking. You can't explore Europe if you can't walk. So that's all, guys. If you have any questions or if you want to share your experience about Switzerland, or if you want to ask anything, please let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with the people who are interested to visit Europe or Switzerland. Thank you so much, guys. And as I have already said, Lauterbrunnen and Jungfrau videos are there on my channel. You can explore those videos. That will give you more knowledge and more idea about the place. Thank you. Bye. Wow. Thank you.
Elevator is up till 6th floor.